Hi guys, this is Sadak from Dotman.com and I've just started a new Tasker series. In this, I'll show you various videos on how to automate any Android phone using the Tasker app, as you might be aware about this app. So the first video in the series is how to enable the flip to silent on any Android phone. So this feature is live on Pixel phones, as you might be aware. So it comes inbuilt in all the Pixel phones, as you could see from here. So in this, you just have to turn the phone on its back, and then all the notification will be turned off. The DND mode will be enabled. And in this video, I'll show you how to enable this on any Android phone. So as soon as you do a turn back, flip back, the DND mode will be enabled. And once you turn it back on, the DND mode will be turned off on your phone. So I'll show you how this could be done using a tasker. So let's get started. First, let me show you. I have just made a few profile and task over here. Let me turn off the auto rotate and then let's try it out. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me first enable the screen recording. I'll show you whether it's working or not. So for that, let's enable the screen recording. For now, the DND is off, as you could see. It's the second icon in the second row, and we have the volume enabled. The DND is turned off. Now let me show you the tasker work. So start recording, and now its recording has started. So let's keep it over here in the DND screen. Now as soon as I flip the phone, the DND is now enabled and all the notification will now be turned off. Then once I switch it back once again, the DND mode will be turned off. As you could see, it's turned off, and now we will get back all the notifications. So let me show you the proof as well. I've just done a screen recording on my phone, as you might be aware of. So let's now check it out. The screen recording. This is over here. Open it. Always. And let me now show you. You could see the DND mode is currently off. Then as soon as I do a phone flip, the DND mode will be turned on. Then once again, as you turn on the phone back on its the front region, the DND mode will be turned off once again. So this is how we'll be doing it. This is the first video in the Tasker series. So with that in mind, let's get started. First and foremost, let me remove the Tasker app from my phone. Uninstall. So guys, there are two ways of doing this job. The first is a manual approach. In this, we will show you all the steps one by one. Whereas in the second approach, you could simply import the Tasker profile and the task onto your phone. And that is it. It will just take a few seconds. But the main enjoyment, and you could say the main interesting part, lies in the manual task. So first, I'll show you the manual method and then the automatic approach. So let's get started. You may either use the Tasker app from official site, which is 7 days free, or the paid one from the Play Store. For now, I'm using the official site for the 7 days free. So I have the APK file onto my phone as well. Files, storage. Then in the downloads folder, I suppose it should be there. Tasker is there. Install the app. Now let's launch the app. Tasker was installed. Open it. Okay, it's all fine. Choose Tasker from here. Checkmark all the permissions. Accept. Okay. Tasker enable. In case you're having this issue, minimize it. Long press on the app icon. Choose app info. Tap on the off icon at the top right. Choose allow settings. It's now allowed. Now go back. Checkmark. Again, choose Tasker from here, and this time you could easily enable the toggle. This as well. Allow this. Okay. Then it's all done. Tap on proceed. No thanks. So first off, go to the task tab from here. Let's go one step at a time. Then tap on plus, create, and then name the new task as safe and silent. Don't give any space, that might lead to some issue. Safe and silent without any spaces anywhere in between. Hit the check mark. Once the task is made, save and silent. Tap on plus, and first off select variable set. So variable set. Under name, type in the old ringer. The percent sign is already given there. Percentage is there. Just type in old ringer. O capital, then R capital. It's very important to keep this point in mind. Old ringer is done. Under 2, type in volume R. Percentage. And all caps. VOLR. And that is it. Go back once. It's now made. Name percentage volume ringer. You could see it from the screenshot as well. Let's keep a tab on a screenshot one at a time. Again, hit the plus. Variables. variable set. Now give the name as old notif. Percentage is there, O capital, N capital. Then under 2, the name is VOLN, volume N. So percentage, all caps, VOLN. Again go back. So we have made 2 variables. Now you could see the same in the screenshot as well. One that is done, plus audio. Then after that, ringer volume set to 0. Ringer volumes missing permission, okay. Tasker, allow it from here, allow. Go back, again go back. Set it to 0. Just a second. Ringer volume, now set it to 0 from here. You could now see the level is now 0. For the ringer volume, one that is done. Go back. Again plus. Then audio and notification volumes. Audio, notification volume, set it to 0 as well. It's done. Again go back. Then audio and DND on. Audio, do not disturb. No interruption should be there. And after that, just go back. And we have set the first task, which is the save and silent. And let's verify it once again. So variable set name is old ringer to volume R. Then old notif to volume N. Ringer volume 0. Notification volume 0. Do not disturb. No interruptions. So the first task is made. This was quite easy one. And now let's make the second task, which will restore the volume. So once you flip back the phone, this will turn off the DND. For that, let's make a new task, restore volume. The first task which we have just made, save and silent, will enable DND as soon as you turn back the phone. But once you flip back the phone on, it will then re-enable the turn off the DND mode for the restore volume. So this task will turn off DND mode, and the one which we have just made will turn on the DND mode. So let's make a new task. This is somewhat complicated. So go back for the first task is done. Again in the task, hit the plus icon, make a new task, create, and name it restore volume. Restore volume. Hit the check mark. Under restore volume, plus task if, plus choose a task and choose if. Now change the condition over here. You could see the arrow, tap on it and choose it to is set. Is set is now complete. Type in old ringer percentage. So O capital, old, R capital, old ringer. One that is done. Now go back and choose if from here. If old ringer is set, then once again, okay, the first is complete. Now plus audio ringer volume, plus audio ringer volume. Hit the cross icon over here. Okay, let's give it a name. Name it old ringer percentage is there already. So O capital, old ringer. One that is complete. Go back. Or you could also verify from the screenshot as well. So up until now, you could see it's all if old ringer set, ringer volume, level this. Now hit the plus, task, and if. So with this, the first one is complete. If and if loop, first one is done, as you could see. Now let's do the second loop. So for that, again, hit the plus icon. Then it should be the task, if, a new if loop. So again, tap on this, is set. The condition name should be old notif. So O capital notif. One that is done, then again go back, choose if, then again hit the plus icon. Then after that, audio notification volume. So audio notification volume. Hit the arrow, bring up the text field, type in old notif, old notif, same exact same name should be there. Verify that. One that is done, go back, again tap on the plus icon and choose from here task and if. So both the loops are now complete. After that, again tap on this, audio, DND, do not disturb, and now we have to turn off DND. So choose from here, allow all, and that is it. let's first verify if that's same or not in the screenshot. If old ringer set is ringer volume level is old ringer, and if once again if old notif set notification volume is old notif, and if do not disturb allow all, well, that's quite easy. Once that is done, so we have made both the tasks. Now you may go back. Both the tasks are now complete. Now go to profile, and from here tap on plus, create, state, orientation. Well, just give me a second. Okay, sensor. Now orientation, and it should be face down. So choose the face down option from here. When that is done, go back. And now we have to add two tasks, the enter task and the exit task. Enter task should be the first task, save on silent, which we have just made. And the exit task, so long press on it. Add exit task. This should be the restore volume. So once you do an exit, it should bring back the volume. The DND will be turned off then. And the profile will look something like this. As you could see, save and silent is the enter task, and restore volume is the exit task. Once that is complete, hit the check mark at the top right. And once that is done, let's now try it out once again. So I have to show you that. For that, let's enable the screen recording. First, let me remove this recording. The earlier one is this one. The screen recording earlier one. Okay, this is the earlier screen recording, as you could see. Let's first remove this from my phone. Move to bin, and now I'll make a new screen recording. The DND mode is shown over here, as you could see. Currently is turned off. I will then flip the phone to turn it on. Entire screen start recording. So could see over here it's currently turned off, and now I'll do the flip the phone. So let me show you. As soon as that happens, you will feel a vibration, which means the tasker is now up and running. And once you flip over, you could see the DND will now turn off. It's now done. Stop recording. Now I'll show you the recording as well. For the proof, you could see over here. Always. Currently, I will flip the phone back, and you will see that the DND will be turned on. It's now turned on. And now after that, I will flip back the phone on, and the DND will get turned off. It's quite a simple approach, and that is it, guys. So we have made two tasks. First is the save and silent. So when you flip the phone like this, it will enable the DND mode. Then the restore volume. When you flip back the phone, it will turn off the DND mode. Then the profile is made over here. For the save and silent is the first task, which will be enabled when you flip the phone, and the second is the restore volume, which will bring back the turn off the DND mode, bring back the volume when you flip back the phone over here. So that is quite simple task, but there's one more approach. If that is quite hard way for you, you may simply upload the tasker profiles, the task and the profile as well. So you may remove all of this from here and simply upload this from this section. So just long press the profile tab and choose import profile, then import the profile from here. Likewise, go to the task section, task tab, long press on the task, choose import task, then upload both the tasks, which is the first and second one. When that is done, your task stands complete. So just do that, and that is it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know my next tasker video on which I should make a video. Please, it's open for all recommendations. So please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.